What's up guys, we're back at it again. This is the second day of harvest, but first day on the video. Yesterday I didn't film because I was getting used to Columbine. It's been a bit, like a while. Some pretty decent wheat right here. It's not too bad. It's averaging about 35, so it's not too bad, but unfortunately the hogs tore this up. But as you can see, it's not the worst, but it's not the best either. A grain sample back there is actually pretty good. I got it set to where it's cutting all the cheat out, blowing it all out. So we only have about one round, maybe another one, a small little strip left, and then we'll be moving on to the next field, which is an 80-acre field. We'll see how good that one is. Dang it, it's not going to be able to all fit in the head on one pass, so we'll have to go another pass. That's fine. With that is the end of the first field. We're gonna go unhook the header and bring it across the road, and then we're gonna go on to the next field. Shoot, I clicked it before I pressed the record. As you can see, we unhooked the header. Now we're moving on to the next field. I'll see you when we get there. We just moved fields. It's actually doing pretty good. It's making 30 bushel an acre average. This is a big field. It's an 80-acre field. It'll take us probably 2 days or so. Well, that's if it doesn't rain. It'll take us 2 days. This is a pretty big field, as you can see. You can see our grain tank's already half full. It's crazy, it filled up very fast. Man, it is hot outside. Like, the sun is so bad. I looked on my weather app, and it said it felt like 110 degrees when it's only like 98. This is our first load of the field. It's actually pretty good. We're gonna fill up in this grain cart, and then we brought another grain cart, so we'll have two, and then we can fill a truck with both of them, and I can keep going. I don't have to stop. About to unload for the last time for today. We're not going to go tomorrow because it's going to be raining and really bad storms. So I think this will be the end of the video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed the first day of harvest. I'll see you guys later. Bye.